Hi, today I get the pleasure of showing you a commercial workforce travel trailer. It has 8 bunks in it, 2 full baths, and a laundry room with a refrigerator. We're going to go ahead and walk through the outside now. This is a 44-foot, all gel coat. This is a gel coat front fiberglass cap. You notice you have 2 30-pound LP bottles with a power tongue jack. You got a battery back here that we provide for you. Back here is a battery disconnect. You push the blue button and it'll disconnect the battery so it doesn't wear out your battery as you're going. Push it back in and you'll have 12 volts all the way to the power. 12 volt power all the way to the unit. You can see this is a 96-inch interior ceiling height, so it's 13.4 to the top of the roof air conditioners. I don't know if you can see them, but there's 3 air conditioners up there. All of them are 15,000 BTU air conditioners with a heat pump on them. So you can actually get 5,600 BTUs of heat per air conditioner using the heat pump. Out here you got your 40,000 BTU furnace, your city potable water fill there. I want to pan back a little bit and show you that this unit has gel coat fiberglass. This is a hung fiberglass. You can see the automotive seam down the middle. You can see all the doors there. This particular unit, we put 2 awnings on each side covering the doors, so that way your employees could actually sit outside underneath the awning. We're going to go into the first door here. This is on the road side, so we have a solid step all the way through. This one is the first door is a bathroom. This is one of your first full baths. Porcelain toilet, residential porcelain sink with a residential handle on it. You got storage underneath there. You got a medicine cabinet with storage in there. Here you have your shower. Our showers are a little bit more heavier duty than a lot of manufacturers out there. We give you a 1-piece fiberglass shower. Place to hang your washcloth and your soaps and stuff. Adjustable shower head. This one actually comes with a closing door. So the door is closable. It is vinyl, so it's easily washable. You have a dual control vent up top, so it's got switches down here that you can open up, and over here you can open up and have the steam go out. Light switch. It's got all LED lights, and every pod or every bathroom and every room has its own air conditioner and heat duct in it. So it's easier to clean. We also do drains in the floor, so it drains out any excess water right outside the unit. Our unit also has, this one has 3 axles on it. Those are all 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch radial tires. And we have another step here. This is going to go into one of our bunk rooms off the off-door side. The neat thing is these bunk rooms are individualized, so your worker can actually get some peace and quiet and be by themselves if they wanted to at night. So this is called the Z bunk. So this is the lower Z bunk. So you got nice storage underneath there. You can kick off your shoes or put your duffel bag away. 32 by 80 beds. Inner spring mattresses, so they get a nice sleep at night. And this is your TV antenna and cable hookup, satellite hookup with an outlet there. So there's a backer in the wall here that you can actually hang a TV for each of your employees if you wanted to. Get a good look at the bed here. At the head of the bed, we provide you a light and also a USB port, so they can put their phones and stuff in there. Every room is going to have its own refrigerator. This is an Everchill. A little bit smaller refrigerator, but it's good for each individual guy. And then up top here, we have a shirt closet. Notice how it's a tall shirt closet, so it gives them a lot of room to stack stuff at the bottom if they wanted to. So there'll be quite a few bunk rooms like that on this side. So you've got door number 3 here. It's going to be another bunk room. You can go in here. We'll see the same refrigerator, shirt closet. The bed is the same with the same light and USB ports. Storage underneath. And then your TV hookup here on this side. The last door on this side of the unit, and you can see our solid step there, is another bunk. And they're all the same on this side. They're all the lower Z bunk. So again, your storage underneath, refrigerator, closet, and then a place for your TV hookup. Okay. On the outside here, again, there's your awning. Goes all the way down. And then back here, we have your 50 amp hookup down here. And then your satellite and cable prep back here, and they're all numbered as to which bunk area they go to. We use all LED lights on the outside, so you have nice bright running lights going down the road. Let me give you another quick look down this is the road side. We're coming around to the back side of the unit. So you can see it's got a rear fiberglass cap as well. That is a fiberglass painted cap. Notice how we have your recessed for your license plate with a light bracket. Your LED lights, again, all recessed. Coming around to the road side, or the curb side, excuse me. I'm going to give you a quick look-see down here. So you can see the awning and all the doors. Going to the front of the unit. You get a little bit of a look at the air conditioners up here. We're going to go into this first one. This is the upper Z bunk bedroom. So here everything's a little just basically on the opposite side. So you got another storage down there. This is one of the rear ones, so it has the air conditioner here. So there's an air conditioner thermostat, which controls it for everybody. Your TV hookup, your 15,000 BTU rough air. This one's got a aluminum ladder that they get up on. And then again, we have refrigerator. I'll just open the one here on this side. And then a shirt closet up above here. You see the hanging, and then lots of room down below for storage. The head of these beds also have an outlet, USB outlets, and LED lights. So you can again see that they got plenty of room up there. And then a place to watch TV. We're going to come outside here and go down to the next one. All the bunks on this side are the same. So I'm going to kind of speed up the video here and just show them to you real quick that they're all the same. This side. When we come up to another one, we got another doorway here, the same kind of bunk. Just give you another quick tour. This has got the air conditioner on there, the second air conditioner of 3. The thermostat there. Then we come up to the fourth door here on this side of the trailer. And this is where your other bathroom is going to be. So the bathroom is going to be laid out the same. Same one-piece fiberglass shower head. All one-piece fiberglass, so it's more durable than the two-piece plastic a lot of our competitors use. You got your same door. It'll open and close. Dual control fan, LED lights. In here you have your sink, residential porcelain sink, storage down below. Medicine cabinet above. Your switches for the dual control vent to raise them to get steam out. And your porcelain toilet. And it's kind of probably hard to tell on the video, but there's a decent amount of room here that your employees can get in and change and go to the restroom and all that kind of stuff. Okay, on the front side here, last two doors. This next door is it's got a refrigerator in it. This is what we call a laundry room or a kitchenette. It's got a full-size refrigerator, so each of the guys can have extra food in there, or community food. Going inside here, you got your command center here. So in here, because it's a communal area, you can actually open up all of the awnings. You got all your switches here for exterior lights. Again, you have your tank sizes, so you can see if they're all full or black and gray. 2/3 full, 1/3 full. Digital thermostat. And then here, obviously you got your overhead cabinets, a full-size residential stainless steel refrigerator. That's an upgraded fridge. Here you have, we call them a folding table. They can have little microwaves in here or whatever. But lots of storage down below. And storage above for storing all your washing gear, folding area. And then behind these doors here is you have a full-size stackable washer and dryer. We use the Splendide. So you can see it's easy to use. Good load capacity. And then they close off for aesthetics and have them away, but the guys could fold their clothes and have stuff in here. And then on the front side here, the last door, this is going to be another bunk area. This is what we call a D-bunk. So two guys will share, two people, guys, gals, whatever, will share this area. They got a storage drawer for each. And then you got overhead storage. This is a shirt closet here. So they got plenty of room to store their clothes. We use this as our shipping area. So in here, you're going to have your 50-amp power cord, your jack handles. But that's a bed. And then the upper bed, you can see there, 80-inch long beds. You got your aluminum ladder. And then these guys will actually have their own refrigerator, mini fridge, and another hanging closet here for the other person. This black cover here is for your LP bottle cover. We put them inside for shipping. But each bunk has a light and a USB port. We'll pan down here, and again, they're all inner spring mattresses. So that's the last of the sleeping area. Go back outside here and get you another pan down the front of it, or the curb side of it. Then we'll end up here at the front again of the Workforce commercial multi-sleeping unit. Again, this is a 44-foot, and it's an 8-sleeper with a laundry room and full-size kitchen. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can call me, Rob Reed, at 574-320-7100, or you could email me at RVPro Rob Reed at gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video.